Hello guys, this is Krishna and today I welcome you all on behalf of CSI Chapter 3 Code of Vit-Ap University. And we'll take a look at a very important Python topic today, which is object-oriented programming using Python. You might already know about object-oriented programming in Java, but today we are looking at object-oriented programming using Python. And what is why do we need object-oriented programming? We can also do simple programming. Why do we need object-oriented programming? So I talked about it in some video. I'll just repeat it. We need object-oriented programming because it uses our RAM, which makes our code faster. Also, it is very handy and easy to understand and to work with also. So I'll just begin with the simple example. It is very simple example. First of all, I'll define a class. So for defining a class, it is the method. It's how it is done. That's how it is done. Class, we have to write keyword class and then name of the class. Let's say it is A, and then I'll make a constructor. So for making a constructor in Python, what we have to do, we have to use def and double underscore init and double underscore. What we did, we just made a piece of code which will get executed as soon as we run as soon as we create the object of the class. So this is the constructor, and also in the parentheses we have to write self. So we have in this constructor, I'll define some piece of code that says self.I is equal to 1, and also this self is kind of very similar to this keyword in Java. You may already know about this keyword as you are learning Java as well as Python. So it is very similar to this keyword in Java, the self keyword in Python. Okay, and I'll also define j, self.j. Let's say it is equal to 5. Now what I'm gonna do, I'll just create one more function in this class, and let's say it is display, and it gets a self as a parameter. And what does this do? It just prints out I and j, the value of I and j. Great. So what I'll do is I'll just create an object of this class. So let's name it B. And for creating the object, you have to do is write the name of the class and then open and close parentheses, and any parameters in the parentheses if you need some in your constructor. When there is self keyword, it is just like indicating that it is constructor of class A. We do not have to give any parameter while creating an object. It is very simple. Okay, so we just created an object of this class. So now you can print the value of I and j by using this display method. For display method, you just have to do b.display, and in parentheses we do not have to give any parameters, and you may see it is coming out to be 1, 5. You can also do is print b.I, b.j. You may see it is also printing the same value, so it is kind of very simple. So taking it to the next level, a further level, I'll show you inheritance in this Python. So how inheritance is done. So let's say I'm creating another class B which inherits the property of A. So in this parenthesis you have to write the name of the class which is parent class, like name of the parent class, which is A in our case. And now what I'll do, I'll just create a constructor again. So create the constructor at that side. And what this constructor do? First of all, what I want to call this constructor through this constructor. So how is it done? So A is the parent class. So to call the constructor of class A, what we have to do is we have to use super keyword
and dot init.
So what it'll do, it'll just call the constructor of class A. A is a super class in this case. It will just call the constructor of super class. Okay, and now what I'll do, I'll just change the value of I in this case, I, and also let's change the value of J. Let's say it is 7. So what I'm gonna do is now is I'll just create an object which is C of class B. C is the object of class B, and I'll just call display method. If we run our code, you may see the output is 2 and 7, and it is because we changed the value of I and J from in this class B. So if we create an object of class A, let's say it is an object of class A. So you try to figure out what should be the output now. Take your time, you have 5 seconds to pause the video and post your answer in the comment section. On running it, we can say it is 1,5. It is because we didn't create an object of class B, so therefore this constructor won't be called. And if this constructor isn't called, then the value of I and J won't be changed. That's why it is printing out 1 and 5. So that's it from my side, guys. If you still have any doubt, you can just rewind the video, take another look at it. You can also ask us in the comment section. We'll answer all your doubt. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.